Fix REDnote app verification code not received. What's up guys, if your verification code not received, make sure first that you are using your correct number of your country, your number of your mobile phone of your country. Make sure if it is you are using the correct number, you just have right now to check or go to the settings of your device, click at apps option, search for REDnote and click on REDnote like this. Scroll this list, click add storage, click clear cache, also clear data, and back, click add force stop and click OK. Now just go turn on the airplane mode and turn off it. Then go to Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone. Update REDnote if the update is available. Restart your device then, and your problem will be solved after that. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and